everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make your Roblox run smoothly on any device. For smoother gameplay, lower in-game graphics. First of all, close any background apps to clear the memory. Also close Roblox and open it again. Ensure Roblox and your device OS are updated. To update Roblox, head over to your app store, search for Roblox, and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And for your OS, go to settings, click on your name, and then check if your app is updated, if your iOS is updated to the latest version. After that, use a stable network or Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. First of all, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, try connecting to a stable connection so the app runs smoothly. On Android, clear cache, and if you're on Apple, offload the app. Go to General, and then go to iPhone storage. Then scroll down, go to Roblox, and then offload your app. Adjust in-game settings like FPS and textures to reduce lag. After this, Roblox will run smoothly on almost any devices, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.